bringing you our mum's special vegan mushroom and jackfruit pie.
Ooh, guys. We're gonna call our mum because it's COVID right now. She can't be here, unfortunately, so we're gonna call her and ask how to make her famous dish.
Let's call in. Come on, mum. What's up? Hey, mum.
Hey, mummy. Hi, boys. How are you?
We want to make your special recipe, the jackfruit and mushroom pie. We love it, and we know the people then will love it too.
You get your jackfruit, put it in a bowl, dice 8 large flat mushrooms. You can use all-purpose. You're going to prepare your jackfruit the night before, if you've got time. If you haven't, then you can do it on the day. A tablespoon of any oil of your choice. I usually use coconut oil because that's my favourite oil to use because it gives a lot more flavour. And fry these off until the liquid evaporates. Mushrooms, they soak up. They're like sponge. They'll soak up all the seasoning immediately. And then once you've done that, just put that aside. You can peel your potatoes, cut them in small chunks because that'll cook it quicker. Put that to boil. While your potatoes are boiling, just to save a bit of time, you can then prepare your sauce. 1 large onion, 1 sweet pepper, a large tin of chopped tomatoes, ginger, of garlic, vegetable stock dissolved in 200 ml of warm water. Blitz that, 2 or 3 quick blitz because you don't want it to blend too fine, and simmer that in a pan for about 15 minutes, slowly. You're going to add your jackfruit that you put aside that you've cooked and your mushrooms and mix that all together. Right, in that meantime, while you've been preparing your sauce, your potatoes are now cooked. 2 tablespoons of butter. So you're going to mash those. In half a cup of any plant-based milk of your choice. Once that's all mashed, spread it over your prepared oven dish. Draw a fork across it to make some lines. You put it in a hot oven for 1 hour at 180. Mum's jackfruit and mushroom pie. Ooh, Mum, that was a good one, you know. I can't even lie.
Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
We love you, and we'll see you soon.
Take care.